Sir, about to break in the boat. Right there behind me. It's hot out here though, I'll tell you that. Better break it in.
Sit down.
Alright, taking a little break, y'all.
Yes, sir. We're gonna do snack bag. Watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple.
Yes, sir. It's hot out here.
Had one real good hit.
Yeah, nice hit back there.
So he wouldn't stay on. I guess the other ones let him fell deep. It's hot as piss water out here today.
Me and Cuz out on the boat. We go, Cuz? Yes, sir.
History, my very favorite beat, favorite.